Hi everybody and welcome to Cooking with Dan. This week we are doing a really easy, simple stir fry recipe. This is a cheat stir fry. Basically we're going to use a kit that you can buy from pretty much any supermarket. All you need is a packet of stir fry veg, a packet of rice or noodles, a sauce and then some sort of protein. So that could be chicken strips, beef, or it could be some beans or some corn or pretty much whatever you want. So this is my kit from Marks and Spencer's. It was £6. I've got some meat, some veg, some noodles and some sauce here with a little bit of stir fry oil. And the equipment you'll be using today is a spoon, some tongs and a wok. So first of all we need to turn our hob onto a medium-high heat. I've gone for about 8. And now we are going to put a bit of oil, a bit of stir fry oil in the pan. We need to wait for this to warm up and then we will pop the beef into sizzle. So make sure you spread the meat out evenly across the pan so it all gets cooked nicely. What we're looking for here is to cook the meat fairly quickly so it's nice and tender still. So what we're looking for is a brown colour all the way around. So while the meat's browning up, we're going to open our veg and get that ready. This is all pre-cut and prepared for us, all pre-washed. So all we need to do is just open the pack, ready to chuck it in once the meat is brown enough. So our meat looks good enough now to cut our veg in. So we're just going to chuck this in like that. Easy peasy. Now what we want to do is stir this in and we're just going to keep on stirring things really. We'll have some pauses but the main thing is just keep everything moving in that pan so nothing sticks. Cool, so the veg is cut down now. So now we're going to add our noodles. We're going to take them out of the packet and just sprinkle them in so they don't stick together as much. These are kind of hard to stir in sometimes, but you just have to be a bit patient and careful. Okay, everything's cooking off nicely, the noodles are warming through. It's time to add our sauce. This is sweet garlic and ginger sauce. It's one of my favourites. So we're going to add this in and we're going to stir it around, bring it up to temperature, and just coat all of those lovely ingredients in this sauce so it's a really nice tasty dish. So we're practically done now, guys, so I'm going to get rid of this spoon and replace it with some tongs because they're easier for me to pick up the noodles with. And I'm going to dish up a portion of our beef noodles. So like I said, this kit was from Marks and Spencer's. It was £6 and you can get lots of similar kits from places like Tesco's, Morrison's. It serves 2 people and it's really quick and easy, and there we are. Enjoy.